Kate, quick question. Have you ever walked into a coffee shop and completely frozen?
Oh my God, yes. Like my brain just stops working.
Right? You know what you want, but suddenly nothing comes out.
Exactly. And everyone's looking at you like, hello, your order.
That awkward silence. It's the worst.
The absolute worst, Martin.
Well, today we're fixing that together.
Yes, finally.
Hey everyone, welcome back. I'm Martin.
And I'm Kate. How are you doing today, Martin?
I'm good, Kate. I'm good. Had my coffee already, so I'm awake.
Of course you did. You're always drinking coffee.
Always. What about you? How's your morning?
Pretty good, a little tired, but yeah, I'm here.
Same energy, honestly. Same energy.
Exactly.
So, Kate, we're on day 18 of our 30-day English speaking challenge.
Day 18, almost at day 20.
I know, right? Time is flying.
It really is, and today's topic is coffee shop conversations.
Yes, one of the most important topics, honestly.
Super important, Martin, because we all go to coffee shops.
Exactly. It's part of daily life.
Right, and if you're learning English, you need to know how to order.
You really do. It's like basic survival.
Basic survival, I love that.
It's true, though.
It is, and hey, if you're enjoying this episode,
Please hit that like button.
yes, and subscribe if you haven't already.
It really helps us keep going.
Totally, and drop a comment. We read all of them.
We do. We love hearing from you guys.
All right, Martin, let's dive in.
Let's do it.
Okay, so coffee shops. Why are they so scary for English learners?
Scary? Really?
Yes, they're scary
Okay. Tell me why.
because everything happens so fast.
Ah, that's true.
You walk in, there's a line, people are waiting.
Pressure is building,
Exactly, and then suddenly it's your turn.
and the barista is looking at you like, well,
Yes, and your mind just goes blank.
I've been there, Kate, even in my own language sometimes.
Really?
Yes, when I'm tired, I just freeze.
That makes me feel better.
Good, you're not alone.
So, what do we do? How do we fix this?
Okay, first, let's talk about the basics.
Yes, this simple stuff.
Right. When you walk into a coffee shop, what's the first thing that happens?
You wait in line?
Exactly. You wait. So while you're waiting,
You can prepare.
yes, that's the secret. Use that time.
Oh, I like that. Use the waiting time.
Exactly. Look at the menu, decide what you want.
Makes sense.
And then, when it's your turn, you're ready.
No panic.
No panic, Kate. Just calm and confident.
I love it. Okay, so what do we actually say?
Good question. Let's start simple.
So, Kate, imagine you're at a coffee shop. It's your turn. What do you say?
Can I have a coffee, please?
Perfect. That's totally fine.
Really?
Yes, it's simple, clear, and polite.
Okay, cool.
But you can also say, I'd like a coffee, please.
Oh, that sounds nice too.
It does. A little softer, maybe.
Yeah, I like that. I'd like.
Exactly. Both work great.
Got it. So, can I have or I'd like?
Exactly. Easy.
But Martin, coffee shops have like a million options.
I know, it's crazy.
Like, what if I don't just want a coffee?
Right. What if you want something specific?
Exactly.
Okay, let's break it down.
Please do.
So, first, size.
Small, medium, large?
Yes, but sometimes they say tall, grande, venti.
Oh no, the Starbucks sizes.
Exactly. It's confusing.
Super confusing, Martin.
I know, but honestly, just say small, medium, or large.
Really?
Yes, they'll understand. They always do.
Okay, that's a relief.
I thought so.
So, size first. Then what?
Then the type of coffee.
Like latte, cappuccino?
Exactly. Or espresso, Americano, flat white.
So many options.
I know, but here's the thing, Kate.
What?
You don't need to know all of them.
Really?
No, just pick one or two favorites.
That's smart.
Right? Keep it simple.
I like that. Simple is good.
Always.
Okay, so size and type. What else?
Well, do you want milk?
Yes, I always want milk.
Okay, so what kind?
Regular milk?
You can say that. Or whole milk,
Whole milk. Okay.
or skim milk, almond milk, oat milk.
So many milks.
I know, right?
It's like a milk universe.
A milk universe. I love that.
But seriously, how do I ask for it?
Easy. Just say, "Can I have oat milk, please?"
That's it?
That's it.
Wow. Okay.
Or with almond milk, please.
Oh, I like that. With almond milk.
See? Super simple.
I'm feeling more confident already, Martin.
Good. That's the goal.
You're a good teacher.
Thanks, Kate. All right, so let's put it all together.
Okay, I'm ready.
You walk up to the counter. The barista says, "Hi, what can I get for you today?"
Okay. I'd like a medium latte with oat milk, please.
Perfect. That's great, Kate.
Really?
Yes, clear, polite, confident.
Yay!
See, you got this.
Thanks, Martin. But what if they ask more questions?
Like what?
Like, do you want sugar or hot or iced?
Ah, good point.
Right? What do I say?
Okay, so if they ask hot or iced,
Yeah?
just answer hot, please, or iced, please.
Simple.
Exactly. And sugar,
Do you want sugar, please?
perfect. Or yes, please, one sugar.
Easy.
Super easy, Kate.
I'm loving this.
Good.
But Martin, what if I mess up?
Mess up how?
Like, I say the wrong thing or I don't understand them.
Okay, real talk,
Yes?
it's totally okay to mess up.
Really?
Yes, everyone does it.
Even native speakers?
Especially native speakers.
Okay, that makes me feel better.
Good. And if you don't understand something,
What do I do?
just ask. Say, "Sorry, can you repeat that?"
That's allowed?
Of course, it's totally normal.
Okay, sorry, can you repeat that?
Exactly. Or, "Sorry, I didn't catch that."
Oh, I like that one.
It's natural, right?
Very natural.
See? No stress.
I'm feeling so much better about this, Martin.
That's what I like to hear. All right, Kate, let's practice one more time.
Okay, I'm ready.
I'll be the barista.
Okay, go.
Hi, welcome. What can I get for you today?
Hi, I'd like a large cappuccino with almond milk, please.
Sure, hot or iced?
Hot, please.
Great. Anything else?
No, that's all. Thank you.
Perfect. Your name?
Oh, Kate.
Awesome. That'll be ready in a few minutes, Kate.
Thank you.
Normal voice. See? You nailed it.
That felt good.
It should. You did great.
Thanks, Martin. That was fun.
I'm glad.
Okay, but what about small talk?
Oh, good question.
Like, sometimes the barista wants to chat,
Right, it happens.
and I panic.
You panic?
Yes, I don't know what to say.
Okay, so they might say something like, "How's your day going?"
Yeah, exactly.
Just answer honestly. Good, thanks. How about you?
That's it?
That's it. Simple and friendly.
Okay, I can do that.
Of course you can. What if they say, "Nice weather today, huh?"
Classic small talk.
Right? Just agree. "Yeah, it's really nice." Or, "Yeah, finally some sun."
Easy.
Super easy, Kate.
I like this.
Good. All right, before we wrap up, let's talk about paying.
Oh, yes, important.
Very important. So after you order,
They tell me the price?
exactly, they'll say, "That'll be $5."
Okay.
And you can pay with cash or card.
Usually card, right?
Yeah, usually. And they might ask, "Tap or insert?"
Tap or insert.
Yeah, for your card.
Oh, okay.
Just say which one you're doing.
Tap, please.
Perfect.
Cool. And then?
Then you're done. They'll give you a receipt, maybe?
And I wait for my coffee.
Exactly.
Simple.
Very simple.
Martin, I have a question.
Shoot,
What if I want to order food, too?
like a muffin or something?
Yeah, a pastry.
Okay. So you just add it to your order.
How?
Like this. I'd like a latte and a blueberry muffin, please.
That's it?
That's it.
So easy.
I know, right?
Okay, I'm officially not scared anymore.
Yes, mission accomplished.
Thanks, Martin.
Anytime, Kate. All right, everyone, we want to hear from you.
Yes, comment section time.
So, here's our question for you.
What's your favorite coffee shop order?
Yeah, tell us in the comments.
We want to know. Latte, cappuccino, iced coffee?
Let us know. We'll read your comments.
We really will.
And maybe we'll try your order too.
That's true, we might.
Definitely might.
Okay, Martin, let's wrap this up.
Sounds good. So, what did we learn today?
We learned coffee shop English.
Exactly. How to order with confidence.
No more freezing at the counter.
Nope. You know what to say now.
I'd like a medium latte, please.
Perfect. Simple and clear.
And if you don't understand, just ask them to repeat.
Exactly. No shame in that.
None at all.
So, everyone, go practice.
Yes, next time you're at a coffee shop,
Use these phrases.
you'll feel so confident.
You really will.
All right, that's it for today's episode.
Day 18, done.
We're so proud of you for sticking with us.
Seriously, you're doing amazing.
Keep going, keep practicing.
And we'll see you tomorrow.
For day 19.
Can't wait.
Me neither.
And hey, if you enjoyed this,
Hit that subscribe button.
share it with a friend who's learning English.
It really helps us out.
All right, everyone, take care.
Bye.
See you next time.
Happy learning.
And happy coffee drinking.
Yes, enjoy your coffee.
Bye, everyone.